YouTube? It's your girl KiVonShe and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's title, today we're just going to switch it up and we're just going to do an unboxing of my monthly BoxyCharm subscription. So if you're somebody who's been interested in BoxyCharm or you don't know what BoxyCharm is and you just kind of want to see what it is and if you're debating on if you should subscribe to a makeup company, then keep on watching. Real quick, I just wanted to plug my girl Christina. Shout out to her. I'm gonna put her channel somewhere on this page for you to go watch her. But this is her Surrender Your Edges hoodie line. This comes in hoodies as well as short sleeves and long sleeves shirts. So if you're interested in this and the different colors, she has different colors, then make sure you check out the description box. I have the link directly to her page on where you can purchase it on the website. So getting into this, I don't want this video to be super long. This is BoxyCharm. This is the standard size subscription box. They do have a luxe version where if you subscribe to the luxe version every 3 months, you'll get a larger box with full-size items with value, I think like over $175 or something like that. This size is the value over $75, if I believe. I don't have my phone next to me, so I can't look that up. But you do get full-size products in this box, and I pay $25.99 a month, which is not that bad because if you're getting $75 worth of products for $25.99 a month, then even if you're somebody who's just starting up your YouTube channel or makeup kit or anything like that, you do get a lot of bang for your buck, as well as being able to build your arsenal until you get on the coveted PR list of some of your favorite brands. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this and see what products we got for the month of January. This is my first box for this year. That's crazy. So you typically get this card, and this card has all the items that come with it. This says Fresh Start. So we have a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This will be my second Violet Voss palette. That's retails for $34. The Pharmacy brand Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer, $38. Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. Ooh, that's nice because I just got the CC cream from e.l.f. and I know, like, with the pandemic and everything like that, everybody wears masks. Nobody's really putting on full foundation, so hopefully it's in my shade. That retails for $35. Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask retails for $25. And then the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the shade Unprofessional for $18. So honestly, I think this size box definitely retails over $150, and I think the larger box maybe retails over $250 or $300, something like that. Y'all heard these prices, so let's pull them out. First, we're gonna open the Violet Voss Love You for Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is pretty, so I'm not gonna wrestle with this. We just gonna get it out because the package is also like the outside cover. So I love this. It's so pretty already. It comes with 12 shades. I'm gonna have so much fun doing this. Comment below if you want to see me do a actual tutorial and a look with this. I've been so much better with my eyeshadow. This is like the perfect, I expect nothing less in an olive eyeshadow palette than this. So love it. And I also love that the names are in the palette, so as I'm doing it I can actually say the names of the products without flipping it over and doing stuff like that. So that's helpful. Next, we're gonna go in with the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. Comes in this box. This is an oil-free gel moisturizer though. This is the packaging, like, this is large. It's with moringa and papaya. Does it say anything? Oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. Formulated with ingredients known to hydrate and reduce shine. I have an oily T-zone, so I definitely want to try that out. Apply to a clean face. Use in the morning and at night. It looks like pudding. Ooh. This smells nice. It reminds me of like black girl hair products though. I don't know, it smells like something that I would oil my scalp with, which isn't bad. I'm not knocking it, I'm just saying, you know. Y'all know the green tube. Next, we're gonna go in with the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, a multi-purpose, all-in-one, broad spectrum sunscreen. So don't put sunscreen on and then put this on, because you might get a gray cast. Moisturizer, a primer, and a foundation with SPF 20. That's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking condition. So, sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation. They gave me the shade DG6. And it is 1.7 fluid ounces. Typically, makeup will be about 1 fluid ounce, so that's actually not bad. And I kind of want to just see like what it looks like on the back of my skin. So we'll do a quick demo of this. Looks promising. Looks kind of warm, but I can work with that. So this is just a little dot. Oh, okay. So the texture doesn't feel like a tinted moisturizer. Like when I first touch it, it's very smooth, but it feels pretty thick. So if one of the qualities of this is claims as a foundation, then the consistency of it feels like it will cover blemishes. Definitely gonna use this and try this out. Probably put that in another video. Maybe do a comparison, like a side-by-side comparison of the e.l.f. CC cream as well as this. And just kind of see, like do a wear test, see which one wears better. And that's the shade on my finger. So it smells like sunscreen though. Not bad, just smells like sunscreen. Now we're going to go in with the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Mask. Comes in this box. And it says, boost hydration and glow with a protective lip mask and formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oil that works synergistically people, to keep the lips chapped free, soothe, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid the lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. So this is the packaging. I'll just have to test this out. I've been looking for like lip masks and stuff to try. I'll just have to test this out to see how it is, and I'll probably do just like a quick Instagram or like a boomerang or like a quick post about this. I won't make a full video about it because it's not like that big of a deal. And lastly, we have the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the shade Unprofessional. So this is, the packaging is pretty plain. Ooh, a definite like hot pink. Let me put this on top of this Fenty Glow, see how I like it, because this is, ooh, it's bright, but I'm glad I wore this pink hoodie. I used to have this the brand lipstick that was this bright pink. Loved it. So it mixes nice with this Fenty Glow. So like I said in the beginning, this video was going to be quick. So that wraps up today's video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Again, I pay $25.99 a month to subscribe to it. It comes around the middle of the month, so I get charged at the beginning of the month. It comes around about mid-month every month. Typically you get about 5 products, again all full size. I'm definitely building up my catalog, especially eyeshadow products. And as long as you input, like on the website, you could put your shade. They'll do like shade ranges, shade mats. That way when you get concealers, or if you get any type of foundation or tinted moisturizers or anything like that, they will try to match your shade. As long as you input all the information and just knowing a brand that has your most perfect shade match, and then just inputting the stuff, you'll definitely get concealers and foundations that'll match your skin tone. You can also customize like what you are looking for more in a box. So I gravitate more towards just eyeshadow palettes and skincare, but every once in a while I'll get brushes, so you can kind of put and customize what you want in the box and how often you want it, depending on what your focus is and what you're trying to practice on. And I believe at any time you can go in and customize what you want to get. Again, you are literally getting over $100 worth of products for $25.99 a month. I feel like you can't beat that. I believe it's definitely worth your coin. But I do know everybody's financial situations are different, so you can try it out, cancel it anytime, like we do with any type of subscription. And this is gonna wrap up today's video. As always, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to continue to see and get notified for videos from me. I upload every Thursday and every Sunday, and so far I am proud that I've been super consistent. Every Sunday, every Thursday around 3 to 3:30. I'm really looking at my Google Analytics to see what they tell me is the best time to upload, but now that I'm getting more consistent, I'll actually be able to track like what's going on with my channel. But for your purposes, that's when I'm uploading. So when you ain't doing nothing on a Thursday and you ain't doing nothing on a Sunday, just go ahead and check me out. Now I'm going to stop talking and get on with my night because I'm hungry, and I might get a little wine. I don't know. Leave a comment if you want to see me do any type of demos or tutorials with any of the products that you saw today, and I'm out.